Hey guys, Dennis from DC Supershine here. The video we're doing today is a little bit different. This is a little trick that I've learned a few years back. A friend of mine, Stéphane Gauthier, showed me how to do this. He's the guy I buy my metal polish from. And anyways, he showed me this a few years back and it helps a ton. So basically what you do is you take these 4-0 steel wool and you put them on the end of an old drill bit, and you do the inside of the holes of your rims. So you know, most customers don't want us to do these holes, but I mean, if you're doing a show truck or if you're doing something, you know, a customer that's a little bit more picky and he wants those holes done and they're really rough inside, instead of try to get a piece of sandpaper in there, or you know, sometimes they're so bad that you can't even polish them. Well, this is going to fix that. So basically this little steel wool is going to sand, or give you like a light sanding, remove all the crap that's on inside the hole, and then it makes it a lot easier to polish. So let me show you how I do this. So you take one of your steel wools here and you just open it up. Alright. Now once you have it open it up like that, so your drill turns clockwise, right? So what you want to do is you want to wrap it around counterclockwise so it doesn't come off as the drill is working. So you just roll it the other way. It doesn't have to be super tight because it'll tighten as you use it. And that's it. You just put on the end of your drill bit, you put it in your hole. And you're hoping that doesn't happen. And it's that simple. It gives you a nice smooth surface to work with. So now you can go in there with either your liquid metal polish by hand if you want, or you can use one of those little cotton attachments that'll fit inside the sides of the holes that you're doing, and you can polish it that way. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Like me on Facebook and on Instagram, and we'll catch you in the next one.